Introducing the HiBREW H10B and H11 coffee machines. Let's explore how they perform side by side. Begin by grinding your coffee beans using the HiBREW G3A grinder for a consistent and aromatic grind. Once done, add the freshly ground coffee into the handles of both machines, ensuring even distribution. Power on the machines. For the H11, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to enter cold brew mode. For the H10B, simply press the power button to get started. With both machines ready, start the extraction process and observe how each one brews your coffee. Take a moment to compare the extraction from the H11 and H10B. Noting any differences in the process and results. Finally, sit back and enjoy the rich flavors of your coffee made with precision by HiBREW coffee machines.